From ancient waterways weaving through timeless cities to modern skylines best enjoyed from the rivers that birthed them, riverboat tours offer travel enthusiasts an unmatched perspective of some of the world's most breathtaking urban landscapes. For those bitten by the wanderlust bug or seeking a tranquil escape on the water, here are the globe-trotting destinations where river cruises are not just journeys, they're the essence of discovery. Venice, Italy, a gondolier's dream. Venice is akin to a living museum, and its canals the corridors through art and history. Gliding on a gondola or hopping on a vaporetto, visitors are swept into the heart of romance, surrounded by stunning palazzos and landmarks whispering tales of bygone eras. Amsterdam, Netherlands, canals and culture. Renowned for its waterways, Amsterdam canals bridge the charm of the old world with a vibrant artistic spirit. Houseboats dapple the waterways, while historic bridges lead to insights about Holland's storied past. There's no better way to see Amsterdam's iconic windmills than from the tranquil waters that once powered commerce across Europe. Paris, France. Seine River's spell. Paris, the city of light, dazzles visitors with its glamour, especially when the skyline is observed from a Seine River cruise. Glide past the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and under the arches of timeless bridges. Each monument bathed in golden light tells a love story to the city itself. Bangkok, Thailand, city of charming chaos. Bangkok's Chao Phraya River and the Klongs, or canals, unveil the city's heart, a blend of bustling markets and golden temples. Just as the lotus blooms from the muddy waters, so does the splendor of Bangkok reveal itself from its revered river and waterways. Chicago, USA, an architectural showcase. An architectural boat tour down the Chicago River presents a skyline that rivals any art gallery. From Gothic to Art Deco, Chicago's buildings rise like monoliths of the American dream, while tales of their creation and the Windy City's history rival the drama of any feature film. Bruges, Belgium, medieval majesty. In Bruges, time stands still. The splash of boats through the canals harkens back to a time when these waterways were veins of trade. Now, what flows most are admiration and awe, as visitors marvel at the perfectly preserved medieval backdrop of the city. Kyoto, Japan. Tranquil waters amidst golden temples. Kyoto's Hozu River provides the pulse for Japan's cultural heart. Whether it's cherry blossoms in bloom or maples aflame with autumnal fire, a boat tour here floats you gently into the serenity and rich heritage of old Japan. St. Petersburg, Russia, often hailed as the Venice of the North, seems to float majestically on the Neva River, glistening with imperial splendor. As bridges vault across islands, they frame stunning visions of Baroque palaces and cathedrals. A river cruise here reveals the grand majesty of a city built by the vision of the Tsars. In Copenhagen, Denmark, a Nordic voyage awaits. A guided boat tour through the city tells the tale of Denmark's seafaring legacies. From the colorful facades of Nyhavn to the modern sweeps of the Opera House, it's clear that the water's edge is where Copenhagen's innovative spirit shines brightest. Hoi An, Vietnam, is captivating in its preserved antiquity. At night, the city becomes a painting ablaze with lanterns reflected in the calm waters. A boat ride here is like a passage back in time, guided by the soft illumination of tradition and the symphony of a living culture. Whether it's for glimpses of history or the lure of nature's beauty, these best cities for riverboat tours offer unique vistas where waterways become windows to the soul of a place. There's magic in these journeys, an enchantment that stays with you long after the ripples settle. Traveling to one of these destinations? Purchase your GigSky eSIM now. Stay connected during your travels.